There are several reasons why you should start eating insects. It's sustainable, healthy, but also very interesting. It's an interesting kind of food, and it's a food that we have never adopted to our kind of food culture yet. And 2 billion people are already eating insects, so why shouldn't we do it?
So edible insects has a huge potential at solving parts of the Sustainable Development Goals because they can produce very quickly, so we can create a lot of food for a lot of people. And they're very sustainable to produce. They require almost no land, feed and water.
They're also extremely nutritious. They're full of proteins, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, zinc and calcium.
All right, calm down.
For me, the experience of tonight has been very well so far. I think they make it very accessible by doing it in this way.
It's quite easy to actually farm insects at your home. You can do it mostly everywhere, and you just have a box. You have egg boxes, then you have feed, water, and then you have an incubator for the smaller eggs. And then in 8 weeks you have your own protein source. So there's no other way to make it easier to farm this healthy, sustainable protein. When I cook, I would prefer crickets because it's very delicious, it's very tasty, and it's easily to use on a pizza, on a salad. You can use it as a topping the same way as you can use grasshoppers.
We made a pesto which had the flour of, what was it, mealworms, I think? And then you don't taste or see it at all. And I think that makes it, at least for me, very accessible.
I've heard about the eco-efficiency arguments relative to meat consumption, and I see insects as a possible substitute for eating meat in the future. So I wanted to see what's up, and that's why I came.
Could you hold him?
Don't let him go. You've got to put him back in the box.
Could you hold him?
No, it's okay. You can put him back in the box.